Sue Smith in the commentary position, and it's all about the drama of the elite division here. Sue, what can we expect from the game then?
Thanks, Guy. Well, being in and around the ground before kick-off, the fans are buzzing. They can't wait for this game, so hopefully it's a fast-paced, entertaining match.
Off we go, the match is underway. This is how the hosts line up. Thibaut Courtois is in goal. John Stones starts with Theo Hernandez as the fullbacks. Ousmane Dembele plays with Rafinha in the wide attacking roles. And the main man up front is Kylian Mbappe. Looking to put the cross in. He read that well, stopping any danger. Here's the lineup for big trouble. Gianluigi Buffon starts in goal. Nuno Mendes starts with Lilian Thuram in the fullback positions. And up front, Fernando Torres starts with Gareth Bale. Had to work hard to keep that in. Could be dangerous. Chance for Torres. And there it is! The opening goal, and what a bright start it's been. And we're back underway at 1-0. And that's a foul and a free kick. What a chance! What a save that was! And the flag's up, so any goal wouldn't have stood anyway. But we should still praise an amazing save. Nuno Mendes. Played through nicely. Oh, it's in! Oh, yes! What a way to silence this crowd. So off we go. 2-0 the score now. Mendes. Oh, good ball in behind. Oh, seeking his second goal, but the keeper stops it.
He's certainly been bright, getting himself into good positions on a regular basis, but this time the keeper's equal to him.
Over it comes. Well, not quite fully away here. And that's a shame for them as the move breaks down. Aitana Bonmati. A terrific tackle. The chance has gone. Mbappe. Beaten easily here. To reduce the deficit. Oh, superb save. He's done so well to keep that out. And it's a short one. The ball is lost, and the chance has gone too. Ribéry. Onto Camavinga. Sloppy in possession from big trouble. Vieira. Big trouble moving it forward with purpose. Something on maybe. No free kick, not yet. Advantage played. A little careless there as the ball changes hands. There's a chance for the breakaway here. Bonmati. Good defending to end a decent-looking attack. Messi. Well, it's a poor ball, giving possession back cheaply. Rafinha. Real opportunity. Vital tackle, and he's come away with it. And more than equal to it. Nuno Mendes. Ribéry. Lovely ball, could be a chance. But it's been given as offside, the timing just out.
Well, he holds his run well, and I thought he was in. Nicely weighted pass too, but he's offside by the narrowest of margins.
Perfectly anticipated, really well won. They're getting into a good position, but not the end result they wanted from an encouraging position. Mendes. Bale. Thuram. Patrick Vieira. Oh, what a place to lose the ball just when the chance was on. Rafinha. And it's on now. Stop to the last. Chances don't come better. Lionel Messi. Mbappe. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. It's all getting a bit scrappy in the middle right now. Lilian Thuram. The ref allowing play to continue. Fantastic looking ball. And there's his second of the match, leading the way for the team. So the ball rolling again. It's only been rolling one way in this first half. And the referee's whistle brings the first 45 minutes to a close. The ball is rolling and the second half is underway. Torres. A promising looking attack, but it's come to nothing. There's a chance for them to go now. This has to be. Oh, it's a goal, and it was really nicely finished. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over. And the game stops with the award of a free kick. Not so much given away as cleverly won. And that took a touch on the way out. Throw in to come. Ruud Gullit. That's a lovely ball. There might be something building now. A little sloppy on the ball there. Now to play it goes for a throw-in. Eduardo Camavinga. Patrick Vieira. Lovely incisive ball. And the assistant raises the flag, offside.
Well, he just got a little bit too excited here. He wanted to get in behind quickly, but it's about timing it right. And he went far too early.
Messi. could pull one back here. And it's in. And it really is happening for them now. They're right back in the contest. Thuram. No need to stop the play. On they go. And that has stopped any potential danger. Mbappe. Big trouble, struggling to keep the ball. Dembele. Ribery. Torres. Torres. And a marvellous save.
Well, he just shows great reflexes and agility to keep that out. It's a top-class save.
Over it comes. And he's done well to punch that clear. Eduardo Camavinga. Working hard to win it back there. Good ball, decent looking attack this. Lionel Messi. Big trouble come away with it. Ruud Gullit. Torres with the chance. Maybe now. It's there, and it's a goal. That's a real settler for them. 2 in front now. There could be a real opportunity for big trouble. And stopped in their tracks with a change in possession. Torres. Lovely ball, could be a chance. Oh, it's a penalty! And it's in. A show of composure from 12 yards out. Messi. Mbappe. A little careless there as the ball changes hands. Lilian Thuram. Patrick Vieira. Torres. Back with Bale.